So if you're wondering why I'm fixing it, here's the reason. All these blue specks and roughness just look bad. One carbon part, and there's no one clear coat thing right there. I have no idea what that is. I think it's some paint scuffing. Nope, won't come out. Interior being put back in. Well, no, not right now, but hopefully soon. Well, one of the fiberglass on scoops fell off. My dad thought it was a good idea to have one on. Smoked the tail lights. Did a crappy job. Well, they look good at first. This one is the darkest. Looks good at first, but you can see orange peel everywhere. Same story with the headlight. Grandfather just bending pipe. The exhaust has a silencer. The rims look pretty good in my opinion. The alloy reaction rims, but they're a pretty good condition. Probably have to replace them. Like, I'll show you why. So if you can see. No, this one's good. I had to sit on this one. When I had to steer it when you had to pull it around because it doesn't run. And here's why. You see, it turned yellow. I think it's supposed to be like that. Yeah, you see the orange peel? Like, listen to this. Sounds rough. Right here, it's the worst out of all of them. Yeah, it looks good at first, but actually, the thing fell off, taking off some of the ladders. Well, most of them. You could feel it, which just doesn't look good. Well, caps look good, but if people look and take close attention at it, it just looks like crap. Yeah. Like, see the half the A, half the C. You can't even tell if that's a T or an I, that's an O, and that's an N. So, reaction. I stitched up the back because my father accidentally ran into a pile of wood, cracked the rear bumper. I had to put stitches on it, which actually gives it that mean look. Just make it look mean. The steering wheel, I need to buy another one. Had to go all DIY on it. It's like shit. steering needs to be put back in. All this stuff, like this, that came from the old steering wheel from it. Probably from this one as well. Like, the whole structure of it's just falling apart. This speedometer is in good condition, of course. The vents need to be put back in. I attempted to put that thing in. No, it's not the center console, but yeah, I think you know what it is. Tried to put that back in, and well, didn't go so successfully. Your window rolls down. Oh, and also accidentally broke the glove box. Very old plastic, I guess. Look at that thing. I'm wondering what that was. Okay. So just all the grills I took out. So I could work on them. Actually looks pretty cool without them, but they need to go back on. Well, I guess that's it. Just a little review. And, last thing to say, it's a great car. Can't wait to drive it. Forgot the engine. Something around here. You can see it, and it has the original Honda engine. I think they're supposed to be right there. But from the Honda engines, I think they're like right there. 16 valve. Looked like it. The only one I could find that was closest to it was a D15B. Or D15. Because, like, we're very close. Completely AM. AM. Like, AM everywhere. AM. Spoon. Spoon, good. That's foreign to me. Lickybon? Lickybon? Yeah, I think it is Lickybon. Another spoon. Spoon? Yeah. I think you should know what spoon is. Spoon, the people who modify Hondas make them really cool colors. The horn right there. Awooga. Oh yeah, this is no Awooga. This broke. Just hope well, it still works, but just this end just broke off. It's not bad. How you like taking it off? I'll probably have to get a new manifold. Probably want to do a new manifold on it to fit a turbo in it. See, there's no turbo in this. I don't see a turbo. Okay. Yeah. Can't wait to get this running.